Hello everyone, my name is Shamti Patra. Welcome to IntelliFee. Today I am going to discuss about like and unlike, which is concerned as chapter number 9, Mathematics class 8 CBSE board. 9.4 Like and unlike terms. Look at the following expression: 7x, 14x, minus 13x, 5x square, 7y, 7xy, minus 9y square, minus 9x square, minus 5yx. Like terms forms, these are the like terms, as 7x, 14x, minus 13x are like terms. Why these are like terms? Because if you can see that 7x has only one variable, that is x, and x has no power, that means x to the power 1. 14x also has same variable, and 13x has also the same variable, so that these terms are alike. Next is the 5x square plus and minus 9x square are like terms, because here you all can see that x square is common in both the terms, so that they are the like terms. Okay, and if you can see that unlike terms, that like 7x, 9x square, these are not like terms, these are unlike terms. Okay, next is the 7xy and minus 5yx are like terms in this case. Okay, so why these are like terms? Because xy and yx, these are the same variable. That means that xy and yx, these are same. Okay, so these are the like terms. So why are 7x and 7y not like? Because I have told previously that x is a variable, y is a variable, because this type of terms comes according to number system and the quadrants, and so that x and y is totally different, so that, and it is another variable also, so that these are not same. And next question is the why are the 7x and 7xy are not same? Because the 7x has only one variable x, and 7xy has two variable x and y. So if we are putting some values of x, then it results that something, and if we are putting that y, if we thought that x equals to 2 and y equals to 3, so that in case of 7x it results 14, and in case of 7xy it results 7 into 2 into 3, that means 6 into 7, that means 7 into 6 equals to 42. So that these are not same according to variable. If the actual value of x and y changes, then it results in different thing. Then again is the why are the 7x and 5x square not like? In the same way that 7x and 5x square are two variable, because in 7x the x has no power, that means x equal x to the power 1, and in 5x square x has the power 2, so that these are not same. Next is the question: write the two terms which are like. I have given some examples in the question number 1. You can see that 7xy, so that I have put it the two examples, that minus 8xy, and number 2 is 6yx, because I have told previously that xy and yx are same. Next question is 4mn square, so I have put the first example, m 3 n whole square. As I have written this, it results the 9mn square, so that these are same. Next example is minus 6mn square. So next is the question number 3, 2l. So here the answer is minus 8l or 100l, as it is l has only one, as it is a thing that has only one variable, so that like type of numbers like this, if you are want to put another types of numbers, if that comes under in number system, that also in comes under the like terms. So I hope you all can understand my this topic, and I hope you can do this type of question in future also, in exams also. So we will meet again. Thank you.